ito yung na-realize ko. Pag nagdi-discuss na kami ng pera ng wife ko, sabi niya, sige, let's discuss about this. Ang SOP na answer ko when we started, sige, ikaw na lang bahala. So I tried to avoid discussion about money. Because my fear, baka umabot kami sa point na hindi kami mag-agree, baka maulit. Pero anong nangyayari? What happens next? Sometimes there are decisions that she makes that is unfavorable. So kung it doesn't work according to plan, doon na kami nag-aaway. Hindi naman nag-aaway, doon kami nagkakaroon ng disagreement. Bakit? Kasi, di ba, sinabi mo ako nang bahala. So parang without me knowing, history is repeating it already itself.
In a different way lang.
Yes. So, hindi namang as grabe as my parents. Di ba? Pero, yun nga. Nung naintindihan ko that I have to treat the money wounds in my life, that's the time I was set free. So, by the grace of God, yun. Right now, we discuss money, we talk about money. Parang sa akin, hindi na siya stressful.